Hey everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज हम जा रहे हैं बेसिकली शूटिंग रेंज PM शूटर एंड वहाँ पे हम लोग शूटिंग करेंगे. हम लोग कुछ पिस्टल्स, कुछ राइफल्स और कुछ बड़े बंदूक चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे. एंड जॉइन मी फॉर दिस एंटरटेनमेंट व्लॉग. आई होप यू लाइक इट. तो चलते हैं. आ चुके हैं PM शूटर एंड यहाँ पे अंदर की तरफ बहुत ही अच्छी सी शूटिंग रेंज है. जब अंदर चलते हैं तो फिर दिखाते हैं आपको. दिस इज़ द एंट्रेंस ऑफ द प्लेस एंड वंस यू एंटर द प्लेस दिस इज़ द रिसेप्शन. There are some souvenir keychains as well. At PM Shooter, they have got all these guns, and you can ask for any of these if you want to play with any of these. Just order one and go for it. And the bigger ones are coming. With the guns, they have the prices as well. They have the size of the bullet and how many calibers are there, the bore size. I would like to try some rifles. They have this big Gatling gun as well. And at the end they have the packages, so starting from 190 PLN up to the last package is on 1170 zlotys. So let me check which package I am going to take. Here are some information about the guns. ये इनका ऑफिस है अंदर की तरफ. Here is a small kitchen. ये इनका इंटरनल ऑफिस है. यहाँ से आप बुकिंग कर सकते हैं.
Second one, there are no stupid questions. If you're not sure about something, just ask. Feed, the safety glasses, skin protection is for everyone. You need to use them. We've got them. Someone flying, sometimes buzz from the guns flying all over the place. So you don't want a hot glass in the eye.
Yes.
So this is obligatory. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. So now we are following our coach here, and he's going to take us inside.
Okay. So
Here are the safety glasses. I will put on my safety and some headphones. Sound is too loud. Oops.
So welcome on the range. Give me a second, I bring the guns and we start.
I can already smell gunpowder inside this. And there are so many shells lying around from the previous shootings. These are all the ranges, different ranges of this place. People also here to enjoy the shooting range.
First, your right hand goes like this. See? You have the free space on the grip, you're adding your second hand. And good grip looks like something like this. Something like this. This is, and if you find it, you can aim it on the target. Try to got some tens. Well, we will see. We go and
We are starting with the spots
little
pistol
noise. So
with a very small sound, not too big sound.
if you're ready, it's loaded. Leg a little bit wider, and you can try.
Tak, drugą rękę nakładasz, tak jest. Jeśli chodzi... Rozstaw nogi. O, najlepiej tak.
See how many holes have you made? So 1 down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
One and a half on the black, so not bad.
Nice, very good.
So Glock 17, 5th generation, most popular gun in the hand of policemen. It's duty pistol, used by military and police. In Austria, also in Poland. So we can try.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bardzo ładnie kij. Lewa noga do przodu, nie prawa. W ten sposób. Karabin na szczyt z tyłu, bo jak masz tak, to się przewróci. Rozumiesz? I nigdy nie rób tak.
This is Brazilian one's revolver in 44 Magnum.
Wychyl się do przodu,
It's-
nie do tyłu.
It's one of the biggest caliber used in revolvers. How you can see, it's big revolver, so we call don't be the biggest. Okay, I think it's empty. We check. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Submachine gun, 9mm. The Polish one.
Yes.
It's full auto, so I explain how to safety operate with those.
Tu jest puszka.
Okay, so give me a second and come back to it.
Okay.
Przez tą dziurkę.
यहाँ पे छोटे बच्चे भी आते हैं अपने फादर्स के साथ
Okay.
शूटिंग की सीखने के लिए.
Submachine.
Uzi.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It's Polish glove
Very
pellet.
light and you will like it.
Polish glove pellet. It looks kinda like a Uzi, but it's not a Uzi. Uzi shoots from the open bolt. This uses the closed bolt system. So it's easier to get precise shots. Okay, so little bit of the explanation. On those we use the red dot. On the green dot, on this one green dot. It's only difference in color. So, if you're right-handed, you're starting from your legs. You put it in your legs. First, left leg. Forward, right to the ring. We're bringing the stone firmly on our shoulder. And your right hand goes here, left here. Ready, lean forward, find the dot, and bam. Okay.
This is AK.
Wyginać i ścieżkę.
Beautiful gun.
Środek tarczy.
This is
Everlasting.
It's Womanian ones, made in 90s, 97. You hear the date? You had the date here.
Yes. She's getting a hold of the gun. Very nice. So we did quite good. These five are Asma's shots, and these shots are mine.
It's Polish battle.
Polish
It's
battle.
introduced into Polish army in 96. This is the modern version. Visit 2004. That's the regulated stack. Place for the scopes and wet dots, how you can see. And we use on them red dot, so you see the red dot. They use the standard NATO ammunition 5.56, so it will be lighter in the recoil, easier to control.
And let's see how we do.
More like a 5.56, but it's civilian version of the American M4. So we bring the another 20 target.
This is L15, and we are going to put a new bad guy.
Time for the shot.
These were the shots we have fired. So Asma has fired in the stomach. कि आप 5 shots देख सकते हैं. These were in the face.
That got the bullet. 12 gauge. So it's pump action. So you need to pump it first.
12 gauge, 5 shots.
So now you pump it forward and you're ready to go. It's about
It has small pellets in it.
about 200 of each one, and you got the big spread. So
Guys,
bring
this
the
was
gun
it for
to the
today.
storage and come with you.
And we are done. Okay, we are done for today. We made a lot of shots and we are back to the reception to make the payment now. I hope you liked the vlog for the shooting today. हमने काफ़ी मज़े किए and काफ़ी नई guns try करी. Maybe sooner or later फिर से जाएंगे, नए type के guns try करेंगे, and I would like to show you all around how to make go to the shooting range and what are the other prizes. See you all next time. Until then, have a nice time.